Welcome to Corina's Corner. I am spotlighting two local artists from the Temecula area, Travis Williams and Joanna Pearl. They're both also performing at this year's DigiFest. Travis Williams has a diverse musical background as a singer, songwriter, and composer.
For me, I'm just trying to always get out of my comfort zone a little bit and try stuff that might be a little bit foreign. Anything that you're trying to pursue, you definitely want to make sure your why is important and that you're just absolutely love it, right? I think we often go into things just kind of wanting to reap the rewards right away, and it's a slow trickle sometimes, you know, and I think you have to be willing to be of service.
Joanna Pearl is an award-winning international singer and entertainer. She founded a nonprofit called Make Music Temecula.
I started with my co-founder who told me about the Princess Trust, which I thought was excellent, something that helps the artists in the community. And on the other side of that, music in schools and making sure not to cut those things. I do have a song called I Am Woman, and yes, I have experienced some difficulties in the music industry. I've been able to find some really amazing women in this industry to partner up with and us create our goals and execute those things together.
Thank you, Travis and Joanna, for sharing your stories. You can catch Travis performing at DigiFest on Friday, April 19th. Then don't miss Joanna's performance at the Digi Awards celebration on April 21st. Get your tickets at digifesttemecula.org. Back to you, Scott and Diane.